bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
Hey yo, what's poppin'? It's the Kid Hot Boy Sleeve, and I'm back again bringing y'all some more heat today, bro. Now I know I've been missing. Things done came up, things happened, you hear me? And I had to handle some situations that was going on. But I'm back, the grind don't stop. You know, may have some things that's in the road that's gonna slow you down, but you always gotta, overcome that and keep it pushing, you hear me? So I'm finna keep it pushing, and we're gonna keep dropping these videos back to back. Just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like and comment anything that you guys want me to do. Now today, I know you guys seen the title, so that's why you here. It's finna go down. We bringing the Monkey app back, and I'm finna go ahead and let these people rate my waves. Now, I honestly feel like I got the best waves out on YouTube. I don't care what nobody tell me. Comment who y'all favorite wave is, and I'ma tell you if my wave's better than theirs. Most likely, I'ma be killing them no matter what, no matter who you say. But we just gonna go ahead and let the people decide if my waves is worth it. So we gonna go ahead and go to the Monkey app and see, rate my waves 1 through 10. We gonna see what it is, man. We gonna go ahead and just get straight into the video. Go ahead and get this thing. Now people been on this app tripping. They call me Yo Gotti. I know I don't look like no Yo Gotti. People been calling me ugly. I know I ain't ugly. I might be dark. I might be black, but I know I ain't ugly, baby. But we gonna go ahead and get straight into it. Oh, I can't get into it if I don't unrag, baby. Go ahead and take them off. Bro, can you answer this question for me?
Yeah.
If you had to rate my waves, what would you give me on 1 through 10?
Oh wait, at time, I'll tell you, at time. They're actually pretty hot.
They hot?
No.
They dripping?
Yeah, wait, do you have a girlfriend?
Whoa. I don't like where this going, bro. Peace.
Yeah.
I ain't know if he was on some fruity booty tooty. I can't deal with that. But we gonna keep this thing pushing, bro. Don't ask me if I got no girl, bro. Let me get him right. Let me get him right for y'all. We lit in here today, man. What's up? Hey, can you answer a question for me?
What? Rate me?
No, rate my waves. Rate my waves. What would you give me, 1 through 10?
A 5.
A 5? What? What the fuck? A 5? Baby, I'm out here dripping. Let me rate them pom-poms that was in the top of your head. What's up? Hey, can you answer a question for me?
What?
If you had to rate my waves, what would you give me?
Your weight?
My waves.
Oh. 10.
A 10! A 10! I'm telling you, y'all favorite wave was not getting 10s out here, baby. Y'all not getting them 10s. I worked hard for these. Anybody, not just anybody getting no 10. Come on, man. We passing on straight pressure. What's up?
What's happening?
Look, can you answer a question for me?
You guys done it?
You can answer a question for me? Add time.
What's that?
If you had to rate my waves, what would you give me?
Let me see. Your face. Not your legs, your face.
I ain't rating my face. I'm rating my waves.
Okay. Oh, a 0.
A 0? Please, you crazy. You gave me a 0. Bye-bye. They lost their rabbit ass by. Ooh, beep. Next. A 0? Come on, baby. This is a 3WP brush. What's up? Oh, how you doing? Add time for me. Alright, I got a question. Can you answer it for me? If you had to rate my waves, what would you give me? Look.
Yeah, they look good.
A 10?
Yeah.
They look good?
A 10, shorty, you a 10. A 10, shorty, you a
I appreciate that, baby. Thank you.
Why you asking?
Huh?
I said, why you ask?
This for my YouTube channel. You going on my YouTube channel?
Oh, okay. What's your name? What's your username?
It's Hot Boy Sleeve.
Okay. I got to find you now.
Make sure you subscribe. You go be on there.
All right. Send
All
me
right.
the name.
All right, add me as a friend,
All right.
and I'ma
Okay,
send
I
it to
see
you.
it.
All right. Baby, I got another 10 out here on you nasty ass niggas, oh, you heard me? Y'all boys ain't out here getting them 10s, baby. Y'all ain't getting them 10s, baby. I should have wore the Gucci do-rag today. I'm feeling lovely. That's 2 10s. Come on, man. I'm doing my dance. I ain't like. What's that?
Oh my God.
Hey, if y'all can y'all add time for me? Hey, okay. I got a question. Can y'all answer it for me, please?
You listening? Yeah.
All right. If you had to rate my waves from a 1 to 10, what would you guys give me?
0.
Really, bro? You ain't even look at my damn hair. Oh,
Like 7.
a 7?
Yeah, 8.
A 8? A 7 or 8?
Yeah.
I appreciate that. I don't appreciate that, man. I'm only going for 10s, baby. If you ain't giving me a 10, don't keep your mouth closed. Cause I'm a hot boy. Don't.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
All right. I got a question. Can you answer my question for me first?
What?
Add time. All right. So, if you had to rate my waves from 1 to 10, waves as in my hair, what would you give me?
A 10.
A 10. Thank you.
Okay, hold up.
Okay.
Okay, can you answer my question?
Okay.
Can you answer my question?
I got you.
Okay, if you could have rated me 1 out of 10 or higher, what would it be?
It would be 100.
Okay.
Bye, baby. You too young. I can't be doing that. Stop it.
Stop.
What's up?
What's up?
Man, what the fuck? Hey, I'm dead, nigga. Hey, add time.
No.
Ah! What the fuck was that? Forget that shim. What's up?
Was he putting waves in his hair? Are you doing waves?
I am. If you guys had to rate my waves from 1 to 10, what would you guys give me? I'm swimming? I'm swimming? Ah! They hang up the camera. They said I was swimming though, so that's all that really matters to you guys. You hear me? I'm swimming, baby. Bro, Redneck, what's down with you? Jimmy, I know your name. I know your name, Jimmy. Add time, bro. Hey, I like the beard, bro. Beard gang. Hey, but look, if you had to rate my waves, as in my hair, out of 1 to 10, what would you give me, bro?
I know what waves are. Yeah, they're decent waves. They can be a little bigger, but hey, they're consistent.
They're consistent. Appreciate that. I appreciate it.
It's like a fingerprint. Yeah, they were decent waves.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
And I know about the waves. You brush it, wave cap it. I know about it.
Oh yeah, you know about that?
Yeah, I be calling people out on here. They be like, I know you ain't got the waves.
That-
You gonna brush.
Yeah, they don't be dripping. They don't be ragging up at night and nothing, bro.
Shit, tell me if this looks decent. I've been working on my draw with my hand.
Check me out. Boy, if you don't. God damn, bro, you did that shit fast as hell. What you do?
That was. I'll show it to you. It's slow. Go that time.
Bro, that was crazy. Y'all seen that?
Alright, here's what it is. I reach, pull my shirt up, grab my gun, point it up, shoot. It malfunctions, so I clear it. Throw the magazine, new mag, back on target.
Yeah. All right, can you do it fast for us one more time?
Got you.
Bro, watch this. That's crazy, bro.
Put my hands up.
Dude, hey, whatever you trying to do, In the future, hey, you doing a great job, bro. That's crazy. You doing that hella fast. Hey,
just working on my defense against
hey,
bad people, you know what I mean?
I know, hey, bro. That's crazy, bro. Keep going, bro. That was awesome.
Respect.
All right, bro. Hey, he said my wave decent. That was what the video was for. So my wave decent, and I'm happy. Let's see. We gonna do 2 more. We gonna do 2 more, and we just gonna end it on that. What y'all think my waves is? We lit over here, bro. We lit. What y'all think the waves hitting for? What's up?
What's up?
Look, so I got a question. Can y'all add time? Alright, so my question is, if you had to rate my waves from 1 to 10, what would you guys give me? Please. What?
You get a 7.
I get a 7? I'm swimming a little bit. What you say I had a ball spot? Baby, look. Let me tell you something. Hey, you ever heard of goodbye? It ain't happening, baby. I don't get no 7s. I'm a hot boy. I don't do 7s. Y'all give this a 7? Is y'all crazy? Y'all don't get no 7? Come on, man. One more, you guys. Just cause we lit today. Tonight, we lit. We turned up. So let's go ahead and finish it out with a strong video. We getting a 10 next video, bro. That's guaranteed, bro. I know it. I got a feeling we getting a 10 next video. Let's go. What's up?
Oh my god, I didn't know.
Look, can you, excuse me,
Yes.
can you answer a question for me?
Sure.
If you had to rate my waves from 1 to 10, what would you give me?
2.3.
What? What the fuck?
You're not swimming, so.
Bye. A 2.3. Baby, you ain't, baby, look. We gonna do one more, cause she must have looked at like a steel toe boot. Talking about my waves was a 2.3. Baby, please. One more, folks. I'm spinning, bro. They hating. One more. We got one more. We gonna get this 10, bro. I know it's coming. What's up?
Hey, Dead Breath.
Can you answer a question for me, please?
Yeah.
If you had to rate my wave, what would you give it? 1 through 10. A 10? A 10? A 10? I told y'all we was gonna get that 10 on the last video, bro. Hey, I knew it. They pressure, baby. They pressure. I worked hard for this. Y'all guys ain't getting no better quality than me. I'm the best waiver on YouTube today. I hope you guys know that. Game over, bro. Hey, but if you guys like this video, just make sure you guys click the link. Subscribe to my channel. We're gonna be dropping videos like this. And guess what? I ain't even have a fresh cut, bro. This going off for 2 weeks. So just imagine if it was a fresh and I had it lined up all perfect and sharp. They would love me. But just make sure you guys stay tuned for the more videos. We gonna be dropping videos crazy. Just make sure you guys stay tuned. Lock me in. And we dropping videos every day. Hot boy signing out, baby. Wade gang.
My hot girl to you, hot girl. I got a hot boy that is fire. Talking about a hot boy. Say